Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for PRC license authentication online and pay it through GCash. So first, you have to go to the official website of PRC. Then you click the OK button, the close. Click the sign in, type in your email address and your password. After that, you have to click the sign in button. Now you're logging in. Click the OK button. If you have incomplete information, you can fill it in. Then after that, you have to go to the select transaction, the bottom, and then you select proceed. Then you select select the certifications. Then select the certificate, whatever authentication you wanted to apply for. For me, it's the authentication for professional identification card. So you just have to select that. Then go to profession. Type in the profession that you are registered. Then select the quantity. It's 3. Then you type in your license number. Click proceed. Click proceed. Then you can select the location. You can reschedule actually by clicking the reschedule button. You just have to find the date that you are comfortable with and then select the reason. Type in the reason. Then you go to proceed. When you are paying for using GCash, you have to click and then click proceed. Each authentication costs 75 pesos. Then click the GCash icon. Then you will be redirected to GCash and you just have to click next. You just have to type in your authentication number. Click next and your PIN number. After that, you just have to click the pay button, then click proceed. You can type in your email or phone number for your receipt. Then click back to merchant. You will be redirected then to the PRC official site, and in there you will see the existing transactions and it will be indicated in the receipt if your transaction is paid or not. So you just have to print the document, type open. It is in PDF form, so you have to download it. You finally have your ticket to the PRC office. The next step is you have to print this document and present your photocopies of your PRC ID. In some offices, they require documentary stamps, so you just have to prepare at least 2 documentary stamps. That's it. I hope we help you in your authentication journey.